Hello friends, welcome to my channel Methodology Maths by Pratik Grover. Our today's topic is exercise 5.2 from 10th standard NCERT textbook Arithmetic Progressions. We have explained the introduction of arithmetic progression. What do you mean by arithmetic progression? If you have not seen that video, go through the description of this video. You'll get a link and go through that basic introduction of AP, that is arithmetic progression, and then come back to this video. So we'll start with exercise 5.2, and we know that what is A, that is the first term, what is N, that is number of terms, D, that is common difference, AN, that is nth term. Using all these terminology and the formula, I'm writing the formula over here, that is A of n is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. Using this formula, we'll solve this exercise, that is exercise 5.2. But why I've written part 1? Because I'm not be able to complete the whole exercise in this video. We'll take 2 or 3 parts to complete this video. Okay, so this is the first part. The next part will be done in the next video. So the first question is fill in the blanks. In this fill in the blanks, there are total 5 questions. Some values are given and some values are not given. The unknown values you have to find out. So out of these 5, I will be doing 3. So let us start with the first one itself. In the first question, it is given A is equals to 7, D is given 3, N is given 8, and you have to find A of n. We have to find A of n. Using this formula, A of n, that is nth term. We have to find nth term. So using the formula above, A of n is A plus n minus 1D. A is 7 plus what is n? 8. 8 minus 1 multiplied by 3. 7 plus, this is 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So 7 plus 21, answer is 28. So AN is 28 in this first question. Now I'm doing third one. Then I'll do fourth one. Third question is A is not given, so you have to find A. D is given minus 3. N is given 18 and nth term is given minus 5. Nth term is given minus 5. So using the above formula, we have AN equals to A plus n minus 1D. Nth, the value of the nth term is minus 5. So this is minus 5 equals to, we don't know A, so A as it is, plus n is 18. 18 minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Multiplied by minus 3. Now, this minus 5 equals to A plus, what is 18 minus 1? That is 17. 17 multiplied by minus 3. 17 multiplied by minus 3 will be minus 51. Minus 51. This minus 51 will go on the left hand side. It will become plus 51. So minus 5 plus 51 would be equals to A. So A would be equals to 51 minus 5 is 46. So the first term A is 46. Fourth question. A is given minus 18.9. D is given 2.5. N is not given and nth term is given 3.6. Using the formula, the formula is AN equals to A plus n minus 1D. AN is 3.6. A is minus 18.9 plus, we don't know n, so I am keeping n as it is. D is 2.5. This minus 18.9 will go on that side, it will get added. So minus 18.9 plus 33.6, these both will get added. So this will be 5, 15, 4 plus 8, 12, 22.5 will be equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. This 2.4 is getting multiplied with this bracket. So moving to the left hand side, it will get divided. So if you divide 22.5 by 2.5, what would you get? You will get 9. So 9 equals to n minus 1. Now this 1 will go on that side, it will get added. So 9 plus 1 equals to 10. So n is equals to 10. N is equals to 10. Let us proceed towards the second sum. Second sum, the question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. So you have to choose the correct option and you have to justify it. First is 30th term. See, the question is 30th term of the AP. 30th term of the AP means they are clearly saying that the n is 30. And the AP given to us is 10, 7, 4. So what information do we get with that question? We get our A is equals to 10. The first term is 10. The common difference, how to find the common difference? Second term, that is 7, minus the first term, that is 10. Always write the second term minus first. No doubt, second may be smaller one also. So this answer is minus 3. You got A, you got D, you got N. You have to just find the nth term. That is, nth term is 30th term. So what is the formula? That is A plus n minus 1D. We know that we have to find the 30th term, that is A30. We have to find the value of A30. So that will be equals to A plus 29D. The number of the term which we have to find. One number less, we have to multiply with D and we have to add it. A is 10 plus 29 multiplied by minus 3. So 10 minus 29 into 3 is 87. The answer is minus 77. So the 30th term is minus 77 and the option is C. The option for this correct answer is C. I'm not doing the second one, that is also MCQ. You can do it by yourself. Okay, that is an easy one. I'm doing the third question. In third also there are 5 questions and the third question is in this form. You can see the question over here. Some terms are given, some terms are not given. See, for example, in the first question, first term is given, second is not given, third is given. You have to find the second term. Similarly, in all the questions, various different terms are missing and those different terms you need. So what is the main logic? Main logic is find the difference. See, A and D. If you get A and D, A means first term and D means common difference. If you able to find first term A and the common difference D, you will be easily finding all the missing terms. How to do that? We will find out right now. So I am doing 3 sums out of these 5 sums. I am doing the first one. The first question is, first term is given, that is A is given 2. So second term is not given. You have to find the second term. You have to find the second term, that is A2. You have to find it. To find second term, you should know the common difference D. If you know the common difference D, just add this common difference to 2, you will get the second term. अगर आपको common difference पता हो तो आप वो 2 से add कीजिए, you will get the second term. But third term is given. Third term is given 26. Third term is given 26. So using this third term, can we find out D? Yes. Using the third term, what is the formula for third term? A plus 2D. This is the formula for the third term. A plus 2D is my third term and that is equals to 26. What is A? A is 2. So 2 plus 2D equals to 26. This 2 will go on the right hand side. It will get subtracted. So 2D equals to 24. This 2 is getting multiplied with D. it will go on the right hand side, it will get divided. So D will be equals to 12. We got the common difference. So now the second term which was missing, A2. A2 is actually A plus D. A plus D is my A2. So 2 plus 12 answer is 14. 2 plus 12 answer is 14. So this is the missing term we found. Now the second question I am right now skipping. I know that the second question is a different type and I should explain it, but I'll choose a difficult one so that you may understand the difficult sum also, and using that sum you can clearly do the second one. So I am proceeding toward the third sum right now of third main question. In this, the first term is given 5. Second term and the third term are not given and you have to find out. A2 is not given as well as A3 is not given, you have to find out. Fourth term is given to us, that is A4 is given 9 1 by 2. So if you want to find second term and third term, you have the first term, you need common difference. You need the common difference. So how will you find a common difference using this fourth term? What is the expanded form of the fourth term? A plus 3D. This is your fourth term, and I am converting this mixed fraction to improper fraction. It will be 19 divided by 2. A is 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. First this 5 will go on the right hand side. So 3D equals to 19 by 2 minus 5. Taking LCM. 2 is the LCM. So 19 minus 10 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2. This is my 3D. To find D, this 3 has to be taken in the denominator. So D equals to 9 and the 3 in the denominator. This 3 ones are 3 3s are. So D is 3 by 2. If you have to find A2, second term, it will be A plus D. A is 5 and D is 3 by 2. Adding, taking LCM. So 10 plus 3 by 2. Answer is 13 by 2. But the question was in mixed fraction form, so you have to convert this into mixed fraction. This would be 6 1 by 2. This is my second term. To find the third term, you know that it is A plus 2D. This is the third term. A is 5 and 2 multiplied by D is 3 by 2. This 2 cancel out, only 3 remains. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. So this is my third term missing and this is my second term which is missing. Okay. Similarly, fourth I will not be doing. Fourth is homework. I will be doing fifth, which is similar to the second sum. So if I will solve the fifth sum, you will be able to solve the second sum also by yourself. Fifth sum. In fifth sum, what is given? First term is not given, means you have to find A. But the second term is given as 38. Third term not given, fourth term not given, fifth term not given. Directly sixth term is given to us. That is A of 6 is minus 22. Now using these two values, you have to find first term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. So what is A of 2? This A of 2 can be written as A plus D equals to 38. Keep it as it is, equation number 1. This A of 6. A of 6 can be written as A plus 5D equals to minus 22. This is my sixth term. These two terms, can you see that there are both the variables A and D in both the terms? So this can give you a hint that we have to do elimination in these two terms. The coefficient of A is same. So simply subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So A plus 5D, I am writing the second equation first and then I am writing the first equation. A plus 5D, sorry, it's not 38, it's minus 22 and it is 38. Subtracting this minus, this A will cut. 5D minus D, that is 4D. minus 22 minus 38, that will be adding them minus 60. It will be minus 60. See, if the first term was given, we used the first term to find d and then substituting the value d to find the respective term. But when first term is not given, remaining any two terms are given, you have to go through this elimination method. This 4 will get divided. So d will be minus 60 by 4, that is minus 15. That is minus 15. We got d. Using this d, find the first term a. How will you find the first term using d? You know that in this equation a plus d equals to 38. So therefore, substituting value of d in equation number 1. So a plus d, what is, see, this is the first equation, a plus d equal to 38. So a plus minus 15 equals to 38. This minus 15 will go on that side, it will get added. So a will be equals to 38 plus 15, that will give us 53. So we got a as 53. Now we got a, we got d. We have to find third term, fourth term and fifth term. So third term is a plus 2d, that is 53 plus 2 multiplied by minus 15, that is 53 minus 30. 53 minus 30 is 23. This is the third term. Now fourth term, that is a of 4. A of 4 can be written as a plus 3d, that is 53 plus 3 multiplied by minus 15. So 53 minus 45, 53 minus 45 would be 8. This is my fourth term. Fifth term, that is a plus 4d. So 53 plus 4 multiplied by minus 15, 53 minus 60, answer is minus 7. So fifth term, fourth term, third term and the first term, these were the values which were needed. Understood how to find out when first term is given and how to find when first term is not given. Let us proceed towards the fourth main question, that is question number 4, that is main question number 4. The question is, which term of the AP given to us is given for the reference so that we can take out the terms which we require. A is given 3, common difference D is given second term minus first term. Second term is 8 minus first term is 3. So common difference is given 5. And the question is, which term of the AP? Which term of the AP means they want us to find n. Which term, मतलब कौन से नंबर की term of the AP is 78. कौन सी term है AP की जिसकी वैल्यू 78 है? तो term की वैल्यू मतलब an दिया हुआ है 78. टर्म की वैल्यू 78, विच कौन सी टर्म है जिसकी वैल्यू 78 है? सो द टर्म वैल्यू इज गिवन 78. यू हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म जिसकी वैल्यू 78 है. ए दिया हुआ 3 और डी हमने निकाल लिया 5. सो ए एन इक्वल्स टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 डी. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला वी नो. ए एन इज 78, ए इज 3, एन फाइंड करना है तो एन माइनस 1 एंड डी इज 5. This 3 will go on that side, it will get subtracted. So 75 equals to n minus 1 into 5. This 5 is getting multiplied with the bracket. It will go in this side and get divided. So 75 divided by 5 equals to n minus 1. 75 by 5 is 15 equals to n minus 1. To find this n, this 1 should go on that side. It will get added. So n equals to 16. So 16th term, it's a 16th term whose value is 78. Understood? So let us proceed to the fifth sum. Fifth sum, the question is find the number of terms in each of the following APs. See, there are two sums. I'll be doing the second one because it has a fraction in it. First वाला आप खुद बाद में कर सकते हैं as in homework. We have given an AP in this sum, and using that AP, the first term is given, second, third respectively terms are given to us, और एक लास्ट टर्म दी हुई है दोनों एपीज में, मतलब फर्स्ट और सेकंड को दोनों क्वेश्चंस में. यू हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन दिस एपी. टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कैसे मिलेगा हमको? सी, फर्स्ट टर्म तो मिला है हमको 18. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकंड क्वेश्चन, आई एम नॉट डूइंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वी हैव टू फाइंड डी फर्स्ट. डी कितना है? सेकेंड टर्म दैट इज 15 1/2 माइनस द फर्स्ट टर्म दैट इज 18. 15 1/2 minus the first term that is 18. 15 1/2 that is, it is 31/2 minus 18, taking LCM. So 31 minus 36/2, that is minus 5/2. This is the common difference, minus 5/2. Now the last term is given. अगर मुझे लास्ट टर्म दी है और वो लास्ट टर्म कौन से नंबर पे आती है मुझे वही पता लगाना है. अगर मुझे लास्ट टर्म दी है, वो लास्ट टर्म कौन से नंबर पे आ रही है मुझे वो पता लगाना है. तो लास्ट टर्म को मैं an लिख लूँगा. an दिया हुआ है -47. इफ द लास्ट टर्म इज गिवन टू अस एंड they want us to find out the total number of terms in that AP. So it's very simple that just find on which position this last term comes, on which number this last sum comes. It's very simple. So an is -47. Using this equation, this values, so an equals to a plus n minus 1d. an is -47, a is 18 plus n minus 1. You have to find n. कौन से टर्म पे आ रही है? लास्ट वाली टर्म कौन से नंबर पे आ रही है? n minus 1 into d is -5/2. This 18 will go on that side, it will get subtracted. So -47 minus 18, that is -65, equals to n minus 1 into -5/2. This -5/2 will go on that side and get reciprocal. So -65 multiplied by -2/5, that is equals to n minus 1. This 5 and 5, this 5 ones are 5, 13s are. This is -13 into -2, that is +26, equals to n minus 1. To find the value of n, this 1 will go on that side. यहाँ पे subtract हो रहा है, उधर जाके add हो जाएगा. तो n equals to 27. So it is the 27th. The total number of terms in that AP is 27 because 27th term पे ये आंसर आ गया -47, और वही हमारी लास्ट टर्म थी, ऐसा दिया हुआ था. तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी हुई? 27. अंडरस्टूड कि लास्ट टर्म ये दी हुई थी -47. -47 कौन सी पोजीशन पे आ रही है? 27th पोजीशन पे आ रही है. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर लास्ट टर्म 27th पोजीशन पे आ रही है, मतलब टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी है? 27. इसका जो फर्स्ट है वो आप खुद कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट अस प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स द सिक्स्थ सम. Sixth question is, see, in this chapter almost all the questions are actually having different method or different logic. See, you have to be very sure, you have to just grasp the logic, क्योंकि हर एक सम अलग है. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता कि सेम सम आया आप खुद कर सकते हैं. There is a difference in each and every sum, so I have to explain each and every sum. Sixth question is, check whether -150 is a term of the given AP or not. आपको एक AP दिया हुआ है, उस AP से जो इन्फॉर्मेशन निकल रही है पहले मैं लिख देता हूँ. A is 11, the first term of the AP is given is 11. D जो कॉमन डिफरेंस दिख रहा है वो है सेकेंड टर्म इज 8 माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म इज 11, दैट इज -3. फर्स्ट टर्म इज 11, द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज -3. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि एक टर्म है जिसकी वैल्यू है -150. क्या इस AP की कोई भी टर्म की वैल्यू -150 हो सकती है? यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? वेदर -150 is a term of this AP or not. So minus 150 is the value of a term, so we'll take a and that. Using this value we'll find the value of n. अगर n की वैल्यू नेचुरल नंबर आती है तो यस, अगर n की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन में आती है या नेगेटिव आती है तो नो। क्यों? क्योंकि n की वैल्यू सिर्फ नेचुरल नंबर ही हो सकती है। 150 अगर इसकी टर्म होगा तो n की वैल्यू नेचुरल आ जाएगी, अगर माइनस 150 इसके टर्म नहीं होगा तो n की वैल्यू नेचुरल नहीं आएगी। Therefore, an equals to a plus n minus 1d. an is minus 150, a is 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. This 11 will go that side, it will get subtracted. So minus 161 n minus 1 into minus 3. This minus 3 will get divided. So 161 divided by minus 3, minus minus cancel, equals to n minus 1. As we know that 161 divided by 3 is not possible. So as value of n is not a natural number, minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Minus 50 is not a term of this AP. Let us proceed towards the seventh sum. The seventh sum says, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So there is an AP whose 11th term means a of 11 is 38. a of 11 means a plus 10d is 38. This is my first equation. And 16th term is 73. So a of 16 is 73. That is a plus 15d is 73. You have to find 31st term of this AP. So first of all, if you want to find 31st term, we should know a and d. So as we can see 1 and 2 equation using elimination method, subtracting equation 1 and 2. So a plus 15d equals to 73, a plus 10d equals to 38. Subtracting this, it will give 5d equals to 35. So to find d would be equals to 7. Finding d, substituting this value of d, in equation 1, that is a plus 10 multiplied by 7 equals to 38. So a plus 70 is equals to 38. 70 will go on that side, it will get subtracted. So a would be equals to minus 32. Minus 32. This is RA. Now we got a and d. So 31st term. What is the formula for 31st term? That is a plus 30d. A is minus 32 plus 30 multiplied by 7. So minus 32 plus 210. The answer would be 210 minus 32, that is 8. 11, 10 minus 7, that is 3. 178. So 31st term is 178. Let us proceed towards the 8th sum. In 8th sum, it is said that an AP consists of 50 terms. There are total 50 terms in an AP, in which third term is 12. So a of 3 is 12, that means a plus 2d is 12. This is my first equation. And the last term is 106. Last term 106 means there were how many terms? There were 50 terms. So A of 50 is 106. That means A plus 49D is 106. This is my second equation. Find the 29th term. Find the 29th term. So by subtracting equation 1 and 2, so A plus 49D equals to 106, A plus 2D equals to 12. Subtracting them, we'll get 47D equals to 94. This 47 will get divided, so D will come out to be 2. Substituting this value of D, in equation number 1, we get A plus 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. So A plus 4 equals to 12. So A equals to 8. We got A, we got D. We need to find 29th term. We need to find 29th term. So A of 29 is equals to A plus 28D, that is 8 plus 28 multiplied by 2. So 8 plus 56, that is 64. So 29th term is 64. Hope you understood this. Let us proceed towards the ninth sum. Ninth sum. If the third and the ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8, third term is 4, that is A plus 2D equals to 4. This is my first equation. And the ninth term, A of 9 is given minus 8, that is A plus 8D is minus 8. This is my second equation. Which term of AP is 0? Which term of AP is 0 means the value of AN is given us to 0 and you have to find N. So first of all, let us find A and D from these two equations. Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So A plus 8D equals to minus 8. A plus 2D equals to 4, minus minus minus. This will be 6D minus 12. So D equals to minus 2. We got D equals to minus 2. Substituting value of D in equation number 1. Substituting the value of D in equation number 1, what would we get? A plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 equals to 4. That is A minus 4 equals to 4. This minus 4 will go that side, will get added. So A will be equals to 8. We got first term, we got the common difference. Now what is the question? That which term means which number of term is 0? That is AN is equals to 0. That is A plus N minus 1 D equals to 0. A is 8. N minus 1 D is minus 2 equals to 0. This 8 will go on that side, it will get minus 8. So N minus 1 into minus 2 will be equals to minus 8. This 8 went on that side, it became minus 8. This minus 2 will get divided. So N minus 1 equals to 4. Now 1 will go that side, it will get added. So N equals to 5. So the fifth term of the AP is 0. Fifth term of the AP is 0. 10th question, that will be the last question of today. The remaining question will be done in the second part of this exercise. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. That is 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. That is 17th term is 7 greater than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Find the common difference. The question is find the common difference. So 17th term, that is A plus 16D is equals to a plus 9d plus 7. As you can see, a and a will cancel out. This 9d will come on the left hand side. 16d minus 9d equals to 7. This is 7d equals to 7. So d would be equals to. Hope you understood all these sums of today, AP or exercise 5.2. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. One more thing, as you can see, I am doing each and every sum because each and every sum has a different logic, but the formula which we are using to find the missing term is same. It's not changing. That's the plus point for AP, that the formula remains same. The only thing which changes is the logic. So in each and every question, just apply the proper logic and you'll get your answer. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class, in the next video. Bye bye.